right, the next thing we want to do is we want to work out the labor to frame the walls. We've got a lot of little pieces involved. We want to account for framing the openings, the additional time to create headers and sill plates and that kind of thing. And then we also want to account for the wall plates, framing our studs, the exterior sheathing, and then we'll talk about the air infiltration barrier a little bit. So the first thing we want to do is labor to frame our openings. So when we look at our openings in the building, we've got a couple things going on. We have got a large garage door, and we've got a couple windows and just a single person-sized door. So we've got our large garage door, 16-foot door, our what we would consider a man door, and then we've got two windows on the other side. So what we're going to do is we're going to account for those in a couple different ways. When we look at the sections of the textbook, there are two sections that we need to refer to. We've got door opening framing, and we've got window opening framing. So to do our windows, what we're going to do is we need to account for the size of the windows. And our two windows, we've got a 4030 for both of those windows, and we know again that that window is a 4-foot wide by 3-foot high window, and the same thing occurs on the other side of the building. So what we can do is find our window opening framing, and we have got a window that is 4 feet wide. So not over 4 feet, it is exactly 4 feet wide. So we are over 3 foot to a 4-foot wide window, and we are looking at a labor price of $47.30 per piece for those windows. So what we're going to do is we're going to include our opening framing as a lump sum instead of creating a price for every single window. That means we're going to put our two windows, we'll just keep a list, and we've got 2 times the $47.30 for our windows. And we're going to just add to that. So the next thing we've got is we're going to look at our door framing. So door framing is pretty straightforward. We know we've got a 2x4 exterior wall, and we've got an up to 3-foot wide door. So for our first door, we're looking at a cost of $27. So I will list that. Our 3068 door is going to be $27. And the last thing we have is our 16-foot garage door. And that one is a little more complicated, but not too crazy. In our 2x4 wall, again, we've got a door that is over 10 foot to 12 foot. That is our largest category we have, and the price it's giving us is $72.30. So we're going to start with that. We're going to add that to our list. We've got $72.30, but we've got a linear foot addition, right? We've got a 16-foot door, and this goes to 12 feet. So 16 feet minus the 12 foot for the category leaves us with an extra 4 linear feet. So with that extra 4 linear feet, we know that we're adding a price per foot. So our linear foot price per foot is $2.41. So we'll go back to our tally sheet, and we're going to add 2 times $2.41. And that number, I'm going to let you guys work it out, is going to be our total lump sum that will go into our estimate. So in our estimate, we've got framing for openings. We'll have one lump sum, and that total will be determined based on the addition of those elements in the tally sheet.